money by using a brand new copy and paste method. This won't require any skills or experience. In fact, you won't even need to put in any work at all. You can start immediately making money online today. Now, we're not just talking about small change or cents. We're going to be making literally hundreds of dollars with today's method, and that's what makes this method the best method among the rest of our methods. You can do this method unlimitedly. The idea of today's method is very simple. All you need to do is make use of Bing articles and then simply copy and paste. Just like that, you can already make a lot of money. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First thing that we want you to do is go on google.com and then look up Bing, and then click on the first search result that comes up. From there, you're going to be brought to this page right here. Basically, this works just like Google. It's also a search engine just like Google, where you can look up basically anything that you'd like, just like you would on Google. Next, you're going to type in articles and then hit enter on that. As soon as you hit enter on that, Microsoft Bing will bring up some search results of articles, and you'll see at least 1,000. Really, just like how Google works as well. So these are all the results based on what you looked up. And here are some examples of the search results. Just different random articles, since we didn't specify what type of articles you were looking for, so Bing just really gave us random articles. Now let's set that aside for now because we want to show you another website which is called SEO Clerks. And to get to their website, you just type in SEOclerks.com, and that should take you to here. Now, what this website does is that it basically pays you to write or create articles. Now, don't worry, because you won't need to write or create any of your own articles from scratch. And if you want to know how to do that, then make sure you keep on watching. Anyway, we've had methods like this on this channel already, but this is a new website that pays you to create an article, and we've recently discovered this, and it pays so much more than our past websites that pay you to do the same, so of course we had to share it. Now again, you don't need any writing skills, you won't need to write any of your own articles because you can easily copy and paste, and like we said earlier, we are going to teach you how to do so. This is such a great opportunity and a great website, and not a lot of people know about this method yet since it's relatively new. As you can see, people are getting paid out $85, $50, $125, and even $500. So much money getting paid and so many opportunities, and you can do as much as you'd like in a day. We're going to show you how to sign up in a bit. For now, let's move on to the next website first. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, make sure you check out the description box down below. I have a little secret gift for you guys there that you're going to absolutely love. Make sure you check the description box down below to know how you're going to be able to make more money. And I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use, if you're an Android user or an iOS user. And while you're at it, comment where you're from because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. Next website is going to be Conquer, and to get to their website, you can just type in conquer.io, and basically, when you look up content creation, you'll see all of the listings of writing articles, and people are getting paid on this website too. And you can earn from here by creating articles just like in SEO Clerks. Now you can sign up on both SEO Clerks and Conquer for free, and if you combine the two, you could be making over $100 every single day, and all just by copy pasting, which is just absolutely insane. Now, go back to Bing, and then we want you to click on the little dots and select news, and right away, you're gonna see all of the news articles on Bing. Every single news. You don't even need to go anywhere else because everything you need is right here. So now we want you to go on another website again, which is called ezinearticles.com, and this website contains a lot of news articles that are completely free. Can you imagine? Copyright-free articles for the use of literally everyone. Insane. So scroll down a little bit right here. Then it will lead you to this page. Okay, so scroll down a little bit and let's say that you want to submit an article on business. So let's select business right here. Then it'll lead you to this page wherein you will see all of the business related articles that you can choose from. And then we can sell them on both of the websites that we just showed you earlier, which were Conquer and SEO Clerks. But of course, since the articles here are copyright free, it means that a lot of other people have already used these articles, and we wouldn't want to have the same article as everyone else, right? So now we're going to show you how exactly you can get away by getting a copyright-free article and making it your own in just a push of a button. If you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far. And if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment that down below too because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? So for example, we're gonna choose this article right here. Then it'll take you to the whole article, right? Now you're going to want to copy all of your favorite parts of the article or just copy the entire thing. It doesn't really matter. Then go on prepostseo.com and boom, this is where you should find yourself. As you can see, empowering over 95 free online tools. With over 95 online tools, Pre-Post SEO helping millions of webmasters, students, teachers, and SEO experts every month. You can choose Article Rewriter right here. Then you'll see this. To use this article rewriter, please copy and paste in the input box below or select a file to upload and then click on the Rewrite Article button. So you'll see the two boxes and all you really need to do is paste what you copied from the article under the original content box and then hit on Rewrite Article and boom, that will immediately rewrite the whole article for you in a snap. You can copy the new version of the article and just go ahead and submit it on Conquer and on SEO Clerks and earn right away. Just like that. You can even go on Bing News and get articles from there and have it rewritten and it'll still be just like your own. So what are you waiting for? Start this method now and earn money like you've never earned before. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.